Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm David.
And I'm Ryan.
And we fix RVs for a living. And today's project is a noisy furnace that just makes a little bit of a humming noise while it's spinning. Seems like it gets louder and then quieter again. So we're going to change out the motor, the combustion wheel, and the squirrel cage as well. And these are our replacement parts here. I think we've covered all of our bases. Yeah, these things can be a nightmare to take apart. Looks like we got that guy.
Yeah, it's like a brace.
Yeah.
Probably to minimize or reduce noise, like vibration, you know what I mean?
Yeah, most likely. Got one screw that was really difficult to get to, but Ryan's got his fancy 90-degree screwdriver.
It's like
it's coming out.
Yeah, it is. It's out.
Uh-oh.
It's just stuck on the metal.
It's that little screw right in there. That's in a terrible, terrible location. We'll get it. Good deal. Nobody said it was going to be easy, and it was not.
Just tightening the new
Getting that squirrel cage on there.
squirrel cage on the new motor, which we've got squared up. Now
And we've got to slide that through there next, and then we'll put the combustion wheel on, which is over there. Once we get this back together, she should be purring like a kitten. We're trying to be extra careful around these gaskets here because I don't have any. If anything goes wrong, got to order parts. Nope.
You had to say something now, huh?
It looks okay. Yeah, I don't see any tears on there. I guess we got lucky.
Just wanted to get on my knees, to be honest.
It's a little bit chilly out here, but this is probably the best winter that I ever remember having in Washington State. Skies are blue. And like I say, it's a little bit chilly, but normally it's a lot colder than it is right now. We've just had so many beautiful sunny warm days here in Washington for the first time ever.
Alright. Now we can put this back.
This is our shop here. Ryan's working right in the back of the truck since we're mobile. There are actually 2 screws that are a nightmare to get to. You can see them right back in there. He said he's going to start with those. We'll see how this goes. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film it because it looks like he's coming over here. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be awkward. I'll get back with you guys. Sorry I didn't film that, but he got the first one in. Now we're getting ready to get this other one over here.
Is that right-handed bit?
Yeah, we've got the right angle out, trying to get the second nightmare screw in. It's just no good angle to film this. Where is it? Very difficult to get to.
I just don't know if it's lined. Okay, wait there.
Well, I might have to put away the camera and help him again.
Hold on.
Yeah. Now we got the difficult one, screws in off camera. The rest of these are a little bit easier. A lot easier. Well, we've got it put back together. We just want to see if it's making any noise. We've got the new squirrel cage in there. The motor is new, and we put a new combustion wheel inside here as well. Okay, I can hear it ticking. She's trying to light.
First time. Listen to that.
Yeah. Fired right up. That's good.
You know what
See
that
if
means?
she's going to make any noise. Oh yeah, I can feel heat coming out of it. Now we're just going to have to let it run for about 10 minutes and figure out if it makes any noise or not. I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so we've had this thing running for a good 10 minutes. It's not vibrating. It's not making any noise at all. I feel like it's putting out even more heat than it did before, but yeah, we're going to call this one a success.
It's a little bit more efficient with the new motor.
Yeah, this is doing much better. No vibration, no noise at all. Yeah, I'm happy, and I'm sure the customer is going to be happy. All right, guys, I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Until next time.